Oh, we got the Cretaceous dinosaur. It's Leah's Playlab. Hey guys, look what we got. Let's go open it up. Wow, look at all the dinosaurs. T-Rex, a Stegosaurus, a Brachiosaurus, and the Triceratops. You can move the tail, even the legs, even the head. The T-Rex eats meat, like Triceratops. The Triceratops is an herbivore. The Stegosaurus eats plants. How the herbivores protect themselves when their horns, their tails. The Stegosaurus had planes on his back. If the T-Rex bites the Stegosaurus' plane, his tooth gets out. The Stegosaurus had spikes on his tail. I hope you enjoy learning about herbivores. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.